Soybean and peanut are legume oil crops, both among the top 3 edible vegetable oils. Soybean planting area is 140 million mu, mostly planted in the north. Peanut planting area is 70 million mu. Northern peanuts are suitable for oil extraction. Soybean and peanut are spring sowing, autumn harvesting broadleaf crops. Both have earlier herbicide use, large quantities, relatively mature technology. Meanwhile, herbicides selected are similar. Soybean and peanut weed damage mainly manifest in competition with soybean and peanut for resources. Weeds compete with soybean and peanut for water, fertilizer, sunlight, consuming and blocking soybean growth required water, nutrients, and light, inhibiting soybean and peanut growth and development, indirectly affecting yield. Annual weed damage causes peanut yield reduction of 5 to 15%, severe reduction of 20 to 30%, or even more. Meanwhile, weeds have tenacious vitality, widely distributed, from soil surface to deep layers, from soybean and peanut field rows to inter-rows, from farmland to ditches and field ridges, or have their traces, severely affecting soil, water bodies, and products. Some weeds are toxic or have odors, mixed into soybean and peanut, will reduce yield and quality, harming human and livestock health. Soybean field weed species are numerous, posing serious threats to soybean growth. Main weeds can be divided into the following categories. Poaceae weeds include barnyard grass, foxtail, goosegrass, crabgrass, wild oat, giant foxtail, wild millet, annual bluegrass, etc. This type of weed has narrow and long leaves, parallel veins, flowers small or inconspicuous, generally fibrous root system. Broadleaf weeds include lambsquarters, kokkelebur, reedroot pegweed, black nightshade, tropical spiderwort, pale smartweed, dayflower, velvet leaf, chickweed, purslane, saltwort, dodder, etc. This type of weed has broad leaves, with reticulate veins, flowers generally larger, generally taproot system. Perennial weeds include nutgrass, field bindweed, hedge bindweed, horsetail, ixeris, field thistle, etc. This type of weed, after one emergence, can grow and flower and set seed across multiple growing seasons. Agricultural measures. 1. Timely remove field edges and headlands, ditch edge weeds, reducing weed seed dispersal into fields. 2. Before sowing, deep plough or deep rotary till, or induce germination and kill stubble, reducing accompanying weed occurrence and damage. 3. Reasonable sowing density, strengthen water and fertilizer management, enhancing plant competitiveness against weeds. Ecological measures. Mulch crop straw, combined with no-till seeder, reducing weed emergence numbers. Chemical weed control technology. Spring soybean planting areas. 1. Soil pre-emergence treatment. Post-sowing pre-emergence, select pyroxasulfone or acetochlor, S-metolachlor, metolachlor plus flumioxazin, or thiophensulfuron methyl, metribuzin, penoxalam, oxyflorphin, tank mix or their compound formulations for soil pre-emergence treatment. 2. Foliar treatment. At soybean, 2 to 3 trifoliate leaf stage, weed 3 to 6 leaf stage, select clethodim, pyriphthalid, haloxyphopar methyl, quizalofop p-ethyl, cetoxidim, and other herbicides and their compound formulations to control barnyard grass, wild millet, foxtail, and other Poaceae weeds. Select foamcephin, aciflorphin, fluoroglycophan ethyl, lactophan, flumetsulum, and other herbicides and their compound formulations to control vedroot pigweed, lambsquarters, dayflower, field thistle, and other broadleaf weeds. Summer soybean planting areas. Soil pre-emergence treatment. In soybean fields with large weed base and good land preparation quality, post-sowing pre-emergence, select S-metolachlor or pendimethylen metolachlor, pyroxasulfone plus flumioxazin, or pinoxulum, thiophensulfuron methyl, metribuzin, tank mix or their compound formulations for soil pre-emergence treatment. Foliar treatment. Before canopy closure, according to field weed occurrence, select above herbicides to control Poaceae weeds and broadleaf weeds. For no-till fields with much field straw, or soybean fields with poor land preparation quality, adopt one-time foliar spray kill strategy.